Explore the allure of historical wonders in Thailand with the nation's topics. Here we take you to Prasat Nakhon Luang or Nakhon Luang Castle on the eastern bank of Prasat River in Ayutthaya. The castle traces its roots back to 1631 during King Prasat Thong's reign. A site steeped in history for almost 400 years, it served as a royal residence during the king's pilgrimage to Saratburi and later a resting place en route to Lopburi. Originally constructed during the Ayutthaya period, the castle was restored during the reign of King Rama IV in the Ratanakosin era. As a result, the first three layers feature ancient rings with the mandapa or pavilion added later during the reign of King Rama IV. The highlight of this cultural merger is its unique Ganesha statue seated on scalps, symbolizing dominion over ghosts, demons, and evil forces. A Javanese art-inspired tribute to King Rama V after his visit to Java in 1896. The statue has taken a prominent place in the castle. Another highlight hidden within the mandapa is the 4 footprints of Buddha, considered to be the largest in Ayutthaya. Buddhists believe that visiting these footprints at least thrice in a lifetime will bring profound merit. Tamarin Somha, The Nation.